All right. I thought breaking the bolts was the easy part. Yeah, that red Loctite.
I'm just ballin', flossin', rollin' through my neighborhood, ballin', flossin', rollin' through my neighborhood, ballin', flossin', rollin' through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? Oh, the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down. She know I like it better when the top down. Niggas hating on me cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why I'm getting money. Yeah. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. The designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750. We talk Pacifics, that rose gold compliment.
Hello. We back. And y'all can see where I'm at. I'm definitely under the F-Type. And what am I doing today? Look at that. That's the crank pulley. And I'm trying to get her out of there. Yep, that's what I'm working on. So got the whole shield off front. Whole shield's off. Took the back shield off again because I took it off the first time. And now I gotta see what I want to use to get in there. And I know what tools. I got a breaker bar. Whatever we got, we're gonna, hopefully it's enough. Hopefully. So let's get to it. All right, let me get y'all in position. All right, so let me tell you what I've already done. I haven't been up here, under here, but 15 minutes. And most of that's been trying to figure out what I'm gonna use. I'm using one wrench, one ratchet. Let me get it out for y'all. So I got my torque wrench. This is so I don't have an adapter on here. This is a torque wrench, and this is a standard and it's a 1/2 inch. It's not 3/8. I'm at 3/8 torque wrench, and I got that's the standard 3-inch connect extension, and then I got my bit on it. That's all I'm using. I didn't loosen any belts up. I didn't take any belts off. I kept the belts on to help me. And what I was able to do, I got one bolt left. I broke all these bolts I'm spending more time talking to y'all than breaking the bolts. I got one left, but I want y'all to see me do this last one. And it's like I'm applying enough force to barely want to start it to turn. I'm just holding the wheel with my hand. That's just enough force, back pressure to keep the crank from spinning. Like that's barely trying to move. So stick it up in here. And of course, you want the bolts toward the bottom a little more, bottom half of the crank, so you can get to them. They're a little higher. They're gonna hit a portion of the radiator. So just find the hole which is probably the hardest part. All right, I'm in. All right, now last bolt. That's it. Just like that. Now I'm not gonna take none of the bolts all the way off because my belts are still on. So now that I broke all the bolts, that's the hard part. So now I work the belts, loosen the belts up, and once I get both of the belts off, then I'll take the crank pulley off. And it looks like it's gonna be pretty darn easy too. It's not hard at all. I mean everybody's car is not the same, but it worked out good for me. Tell you that. Keeping the belts on helped me a lot. So, all right, got both of the belts off. All right, the belt, the backside belt, I didn't even take it all the way off. I basically just unclamped it from around. Let me inspect it. Yeah, I just unclamped it from around the back of the there, and I left it on the pulleys on the right. And I kind of got it looped over to the side. But now I finished taking these screws off. The Loctite screws. Yeah, I'm freaking scratching aluminum. I know. I mean, aluminum to steel. And it's just where you gotta just put in the work. I'm gonna tell you what you don't want to do though. Go so fast when you strip them out. You come off of one and start ripping it. Whew, it's over for you. So now, oops, I'm gonna hit my freaking, the back of it hit my, little clicker trying to hit this fan, this radiator fan, and just trying to mess it up, trying to change the direction of my ratchet. In my ratchet. All right, that's one. Now, get it around this darn. Oh, I just get them all loose. You keep working around. I got that one at the edge. I'll change my setup to get them all the way off, but ain't no sense in y'all watching me do all this hand work. All right, I thought breaking the bolts was the easy part. Yeah, that red Loctite. God damn. All right, let me continue on. Phew, these bolts right here. And mine's had blue Loctite on. Everybody else's had red. But I'm telling you right now, this pulley, I can feel a weight difference already. Look, man, courtesy of this thread, Jaguar forms, how to. Thank you. Help me get this junk done, man. But check this out, man. Let me tell you this, bro. If y'all don't know already who disappointed me more than anybody, it's freaking Jaguar Land Rover. The technician, when I was at the dealer, I asked him just to check for me and see what color. The rain is loud as hell. Clouds is raining. I told him to check for me and see what color was my crank pulley. He pops the hood. Looks down, look with a flashlight. Oh, it's black. Where? Where? What are you looking at? God dang. Now we gotta focus on getting these screws clean, so we gotta run them through. Run them threads through a threader. There we go. Nice and clean. So we'll go ahead and get all these done just like that. Shouldn't take too long. And we'll be right back with y'all. Okay. We got pulleys out. You see the difference in the size. Screws are all cleaned up. I also took this. You can see I got. You can see the back. Got all the debris out, all the Loctite that was in the hole. Got it out. Holes all cleaned up. So now I'm about to go ahead and put him on. And I guess this is gonna be a new fancy Jaguar paperweight. I don't know. So let me get up under here now. All right. I ordered the wrong pulley. It's not completely my fault though. The technician, of course, y'all are gonna get on me for this one. Yes, at Jaguar, the Jaguar technician, the same guy that worked on my car, told me that my crank pulley was black. So with the tune, I ordered the black pulley. That's what they gave me. And it's wrong. So I ordered a new one and I put in the RMA for this old one and I'm about to send it back. So we're gonna conclude the video. Part 1. Right here. Be right back.